Hi everyone, myself Manveen Singh. I'm a Eon Master Trainer at EduBridge India. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about types of data in statistics. So let's get started and let's see what are the different types of data we have in statistics. So data is the fuel that can drive the business to the right path, or at least provide the actionable insight that can help strategize current campaigns, easily organize the launch of new product, or try out different experiments. So data is the new fuel. And this businesses, this organization, they are generating terabyte of data each day. And in this digital world, this organization, they want to make use of this data to make their profits, to make their businesses profitable. Now, this data comes into different forms. So we need a way to process this data and to store it and then analyze this so that we can make better decision that is going to be backed by the data. Now, in order to do the better analytics, we need to be aware about the different kind of data that we have so that we can pre-process them and we can store them and we can ask the right set of questions based on the type of data and we can analyze them. So let's see what are the different kind of data we have in this statistics. So we can broadly divide this data into categorical and numerical. So categorical or qualitative data, it can be further divided into nominal data and ordinal data. And our numerical or quantitative data, it can be further divided into discrete and continuous data. So let's go ahead and let's talk about them one by one. So qualitative data deals with the characteristics and descriptors that cannot be measured easily, but can be observed. In simple terms, these kind of data cannot be measured easily, therefore, they are divided into different categories. So when we talk about categories, we are going to talk about this qualitative or categorical data. For example, when we talk about some gender, male or female, this category, when we talk about your mood, happy, sad, neutral, this is also a category, right? Similarly, when we talk about colors, red, green, blue, etc., these are also some kind of categories. When we talk about smartphones, then in smartphones, you also have some categories. When we talk about laptops, we have some categories. So these all are your categorical data. Now, the qualitative data or categorical data, it can be further divided into two parts. That is nominal data. So nominal data is one which does not have any kind of ordering between them. So these are just random categories. For example, color of your phone, name of our cities, gender, state, etc. These all are our just random categories that we have. And there is no ordering between them. We cannot say that the blue color is greater than the red color, right? So there is no ordering in nominal data. Whereas we have some ordinal data, and in ordinal data, we have a sense of ordering between them. For example, size of the clothes. So we know there is sense of ordering between them. Small, medium, large. Similarly, grades. A plus, right? B, C. So there is sense of ordering between them. So these are our ordinal data. Wherever you have this sense of ordering, we call that as ordinal data. And if there is no sense of ordering, they are just random categories. These are our nominal data. Let's talk about the quantitative data now. So quantitative data deals with the numbers and things we can measure. Okay. So let's look at an example. For example, the price of your cell phone. Okay. The price of the car, the age of the student. These all are some numeric value. So when we talk about quantitative data, it means quantity. That means numbers. So we are talking about numbers over here. Okay. So whenever we talk about this quantitative data, we are talking about numbers. So we are talking about some kind of quantity, right? So in prices, your age, weight, etc. These are represented by numbers. So these are our quantitative or numerical data. Now this quantitative data, it can be further divided into two parts again. So the first part, it can be continuous type. Now what is continuous? So continuous data could be divided and reduced to finer and finer levels. For example, heights, price, weight, etc. So they can have any value. They can have any infinite value. It could be, height could be 173, height could be 173.5, it could be 173.7. So it can take infinite value. Okay. Whereas when we talk about discrete data, now this discrete data is the count and it cannot be more precise. For example, number of eggs, number of pets, Facebook likes, etc. These all can have some discrete value. When we talk about number of eggs, we cannot have 2.5 eggs. We can only have 2 egg, 3 egg, 4 egg. Similarly, number of pets. So we cannot have 2.5 pets. Either we can have 2 pets, we can have 3 pets, right? So these are our quantitative data, and in quantitative we have continuous and discrete. So I hope now you have the understanding of different kind of data in statistics. And if you think that this video is helpful for you, please like this video, share it with your friend, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel for many such videos. Thank you.